We have a 1.5-minute video. It'll play through twice. We're going to work on sit down puppy push-ups. First thing you do is get the behavior, use a lure. If your puppy struggles to go from the down to the sit, take the treat in front of their nose and slowly move them up. Yes, and reward. If this is going well, add the verbal cue. Sit. She's still eating. Sit, lure, treat. Down, lure, treat. You can also move to the hand signal where you're going sit, hand signal. Yes, the treat comes from the other hand. Down, hand signal. The treat comes from the other hand. The other thing you want to start doing is give a slight pause between your sit and the hand signal to see if your puppy can just respond to the verbal cue. But if they don't follow through with hand signal, it's fine. Not a big deal. Help them be successful. You're in the beginning stages of learning. You will see at some point between that slight pause between verbal and hand signal, they're just starting to respond to the verbal cue. Yay! You've been a good trainer. Okay, so I'll replay the video and let you just listen and watch to the training as it happens in real time. Down, yes. Sit, yes. Down, yes. Sit, yes. Down, yes. Sit, yes. Down, yes. Sit, yes. Oh, yes. Sorry, there you go. Down, yes. Sit, yes. Down, yes. Sit, yes. You're thinking about it. Down, yes. Sit, yes. Take a break, see if you come back. I'm just going to change it up and end with something fun.